Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. Welcome to today's inspired meditation. In today's meditation, you are guided to connect with Earth and Source energy. You are guided to remember your divine plan on this earth. You are guided to embody your beautiful divinity, to release, to receive. You connect so deeply in this meditation with your inner wisdom. Enjoy today's meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music. When you feel ready, you can close your eyes, turn inward. Notice your breath. We set the intention of alignment with our highest self. We set the intention of opening to our own inner wisdom. We set the intention of connection to deep love within ourselves. We allow this beautiful healing meditation to unfold for our highest good today. Thank yourself for showing up for you, nurturing the most important relationship of your life, the one with your beautiful self. Bring your awareness to your third eye chakra in the center of your forehead. This place of inner seeing, knowing, connection to divinity, clarity, wholeness, unity. Take a deep breath in to this third eye chakra. We can visualize a color at this third eye. What color do you imagine? What pattern of energy do you visualize in your mind's eye? Take several deep breaths into this place of your intuition. We know that when we pause to breathe, to connect, to unite, we become open to receiving. Bring your awareness to your feet and feel your strong connection to the earth, this place where you belong, this space that is just yours in this moment. Breathe with the earth. We feel so much love and tenderness and care for this beautiful earth, which continues to give to us and provide for us. We breathe with the earth, giving and receiving. As we exhale, we allow any tension or worry, pain, physical, mental, emotional pain to drop into the earth as we exhale, received by the hands of the Great Mother. And she says, thank you. Thank you for remembering me. Thank you for acknowledging me. Thank you for allowing me to share this life experience with you. And when we give, we also receive. And so we have released. And in this space of release, we can now receive and notice what flows to you and through you from Mother Earth. What images do you see, or what messages do you hear? What feelings come up for you in this moment of receptivity with our Earth? Perhaps you receive an affirmation to take with you. Receive this beautiful wisdom into your heart, maybe even bringing a hand to your heart space. Take a deep breath into this love energy that Mother Earth sends you, and let it flow into your own heart. And as you do so, feel openness within you, space within you, warmth within you. Scan your physical body. Where would you like to allow this energy to flow within you? Where does your mind's eye land in this moment of receptivity? Is there a particular place within you that just needs a little bit extra love and support? Bring your awareness to this place within you for healing. Take a deep breath and continue to allow this energy to flow to this space within you that you have acknowledged. We say thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you to our angels, our guides, our spirit animals, all beings of love and light that are here with us in this moment of deep inner connectedness. And bring your awareness to the light of Source, the light of God, the light of creativity, the light of the universe. Bring your awareness into this light and breathe so deeply with this light, receiving the warmth through your crown. With gratitude, allow this light to flow through your crown into your heart. Visualize this beautiful light surrounding you using your imagination. What does it look like to have this light surrounding you? Playfully, like a child, bringing a smile to your face. What does it look like to have this light surrounding you? What do you visualize? What do you feel? What do you sense? Breathing into your third eye, allow any messages to flow your way, to be received by your heart in this moment. Let yourself feel, express, embody. Let emotions move through you, energy and motion flowing through you. When we remember that our body holds so much wisdom, wisdom for ourselves, wisdom for our earth, wisdom for each other. This body has its own infinite intelligence working perfectly for us to continue our earth mission, to walk with purpose, inspiration, to walk with dignity and divinity. We trust this earth body to continue to step forward on its path, bringing this light with us everywhere we go on our earth. Acknowledge that you feel called, you sense that you are called to be a bearer of light. Acknowledge that you are chosen to heal yourself, heal the planet, heal our world. Each day, each step we take, we continue to walk this path, trusting in divine wisdom to guide our way. We remember that we are filled with strength. We're filled with magic, sparkle dust. And as we step forward, we remember to do so with joy, with curiosity, with anticipation, with excitement, with fun, with pleasure. And in the moments that we don't feel this, we retreat, we retreat, we take care of ourselves, we undo and redo. We remember that this life is our gift. When you feel ready, you can come back to your heart, come back to your feet, come back to your crown, come back to your breath. Take a deep breath. Bring a smile to your face. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself to express, to move energy, to receive the wisdom of your heart, to solidify your knowing, your understanding, and the messages that you have received today. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, sharing this video, and feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you. Much love.